here with Lamar, the homeowner of this house, and yeah, so why did you choose Foothills?
I chose Foothills because our neighbors on Gaylord recommended you all. That the inspector had looked at their roof and said it was the best roof he had seen from an inspection perspective.
Awesome.
So we're happy about that choice.
Awesome.
And Egan's been very nice.
Yeah.
I mean, very attentive. So
It's good. That's kind of what we try to do. We try to take care of our customers.
like I said, every time I've had a question or I've had a text, it's gotten a pretty quick response. So
Yeah.
and they really liked the work that you guys did. So
Yeah. We try to do the best work. Well, thank you, and we're glad to work with you. And
Sure.
yeah,
I've referred her to you and the neighbor across the street.
awesome. Thank you so much.